Elena.
I'm Clara.
From Cupcake Surprises and welcome back to the channel. Guys, today we're going to be doing a highly requested video on this channel.
But before we start, don't forget to subscribe, hit the notification bell if you want to see more of these videos, and like.
Yes, like.
But before we start, make sure you stay to the end of the video so we can announce the winner of the 2 Rainbow Horns Big Bowl Surprises giveaway! Yay!
So guys, today we're going to be doing the twin telepathy
Naughty or Nice Slime Challenge! Yay!
Guys, it is almost Christmas time, so to get you in the Christmas season, I hope you like our little Christmas presents. They're so cute. So there's going to be 8 rounds, and we're going to have 3 Christmas boxes. We have to use our twin telepathy powers to figure out which one the other one chose. The person chooses correctly, they get a point. But guys, this is a Naughty or Nice challenge, so 2 of the boxes are going to be naughty, and 1 of them is going to be nice. So we're hoping for the nice one.
The naughty one contains horrible slime ingredients. So, I'm gonna give all the naughty boxes to Elena.
Gee, thanks, Clara. You're just the best sister ever.
I'm
No, I'm
such
not
a nice
sure about
sister.
that. But guys, remember, you're the judges. You have to vote. Who made the best slime? Hashtag Team Elena with a little dinosaur.
And hashtag Team Clara with a star. I'm such a star.
All right, we're gonna play rock, paper, scissors to see who goes first.
Rock, rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
So going first, round 1. And it's my turn to choose.
I hope my twin telepathy powers are working.
You haven't done it in so long. So navy one with some Christmas trees. We have a red one with Santa Claus, and we have a blue one with snowflakes and a little Christmas robot.
Oh.
I think my favorite one is this one, so I'm gonna pick this one. Okay, Clara.
I got no help whatsoever. So, I don't know. This one is super cute. The red box with Santa Claus. And I think she might choose this one. Elena loves Christmas trees. I think I'm gonna go with this one. I'm not gonna say what it is though. Just in suspense. I got a 1 point for me. 1.
Clara, is it naughty or nice?
Well, let's.
You never know.
Well, let's see.
1, 2, 3.
I got amazing purple glittery amazing glue. I'm off to a good.
I got this gorgeous kind of icicle blue kind of frozen color. It is so gorgeous, so I definitely think this is a nice box.
I'm liking this challenge. Definitely gonna be voting for Team Clara, guys.
Oh, Team Elena with frozen team slime is coming out 22nd of November, guys. Okay, let's dump these into our slime balls. Okay, let's go in.
Wow.
Oh, this looks so pretty, guys.
Whoa.
That was a lot.
Oh, yeah. It looks like jelly. Wibble wobble, wibble wobble.
Round 2.
It's my turn to choose. I think I'm gonna pick my favorite box. Ooh.
Okay, it's gonna be a process of elimination. So I don't think she'd pick this one because I picked in the last round. And I don't think she likes this one. She said she's picking her favorite. So I think I'm gonna pick this one because this is actually a really cute one. So, yes. Okay, 1, 2, 3.
Tricking me! Yes! Guys, I get 2 points. Guys, this could be naughty.
Yeah, it could be naughty.
Open it.
Okay.
Elena, sorry to crush your dreams, but I got a nice. No, you got purple. So cool. Cha-ching.
So,
Hear that sound, guys? Hear it, hear it? I'm on the way to making perfect purple slime. 2 P's and an S.
I picked the wrong box. I lose the point. And I get green food coloring. I get the naughty box. How? I mean, it is a Christmas color, but it does not tie in with my beautiful blue glue. Why?
I'm ready to put in my phobia.
It looks black.
Dump them all! They go perfectly with my glitter glue.
Guys, I am not liking this green color at all. Like, it is not nice.
I'm gonna push my slime away.
I don't want to be affected by the greenness. I'm gonna do a sad face because I am sad. And there's my sad face. I do not believe it, guys. Look at this horrible green color. You know, I think it's kind of gorgeous in your slime. Everything is caring, Clara. I'm trying to be nice.
Things, Elena.
All right, on to round 3. It's my turn to choose, and you know, to make it a little bit easier, I'm gonna pick one that I haven't picked before. Okay.
Elena, I'm not falling for it this time.
I shouldn't have said that actually. Okay, let's show each other. You just got the red! Yeah, because I'm the bride queen. I just tricked you.
Elena, you might have got the point, but that could be naughty.
No! Okay, let's open these. I'm gonna get something awesome.
OMG. I got shaving foam! Woohoo!
You know, I gotta be at a place at a time that the time is right now, so I have to leave.
Elena!
I'm right! I have to put all of it in!
Absolutely, yes! This is not called a naughty or nice challenge for nothing.
I've been great all year! Okay. Rice! Okay, the last bit of rice.
Okay, I'm gonna put loads in. I love shaving foam. The mad slam scientist. Okay, I think that's enough. Guys, you are definitely gonna be voting Team Clara today.
No, Team Elena with the dinosaur! There's still time. I still have like 4 more rounds left. Round 4! And it is Clara's turn to choose.
My turn. Okay.
Twin telepathy powers. Please,
guys, I need to get activated. Then it will be ready. So,
just pick the box, Clara. It's so much suspense.
no peeking. I'm not gonna pick those two, but I'm gonna pick this one because it's always lucky for me.
Oh, wait, which one is lucky for her? Wait, what? I haven't picked this one, so this could be a possibility. I don't know, but this one is really cute. You know what? I'm just gonna pick one. I think I'm gonna pick this little robot blue one. Because Clara loves science things. Okay.
I got the point.
No!
The point victory dance.
Cake! You know what? You're right, Clara. It is 9. This is the 3rd time in a row, guys. Look, these are so gross. Gotcha! I got what? Green glass nice beads. These are so cute. This will turn out really well.
Okay, well, I'm gonna open mine. Open for activator, guys.
I know it's a trick.
And let's move on to the next round.
What's in your box?
It's empty. Look,
Really?
empty. Nothing.
What's that piece of paper you put behind your back?
Nothing at all.
Clara, tell us, what is it?
Switch up.
Oh my goodness! Wait, switch up. Wait, that's a twist. We didn't even know they were switch up. Yes! I get this.
Get it back.
It's my slide. And you can take my rice and
How you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really.
Guys, that was such a twist. Seriously, we had no idea. All right, Clara, you better put your beads in and I can just admire my beautiful slime.
I'm putting in my nice glass beads to cover all that disgusting slime ingredients. Oh, it's kind of covered it nicely.
Round 5. So guys, it is my turn to choose and I'm on a lucky roll. I just got Clara's amazing slime, so
I better get something good because mine is gross except for the beads.
I'm gonna pick my least favorite one. Okay, got it. Clara! Were you peeking?
Oh no, of course not. Just looking at the.
Fine, I have to pick a different one now. Okay, I'm ready.
Different one. Trickster. I think she picked that one. Okay, because I don't think it's a robot one. Oh, it might be the red one, but I think I'm gonna go with this one. I got it right! Wait, you could have got the really naughty one.
Guys, I get the most beautiful slime. I get it through switch up, which I didn't even know was in the challenge. And now I get purple glitter! I pranked you guys! Who is Miss Nice? Elena! Look at this purple glitter and it's tying in with my purple theme. Yay! Looking at the winner of the slime challenge. Team Elena with the dinosaur. And I got the point. So let's see what you got.
I lose my beautiful slime first. Then I have all these crystals and ingredients. She gets a point. She gets nice stuff. And this is what I get. Black paint.
OMG.
Why am I even in the slime challenge?
I actually feel pretty bad for you. Black is gonna change the whole color. Okay, let's add in our ingredients.
One little dot.
And you made 100 little dots.
No! Okay, that's it, guys. I made an unhappy face.
Guys, this is like the sprinkles on an ice cream sundae. This is so gorgeous.
I'm officially sad, like my slime ingredients. And I lost a point.
Oh, don't worry, Clara. You know there's only room for one slime queen, and that's me. So on to round 6. Yay! Round 6, and it's Clouster's juice.
Guys, 3 points to 3. So I get another point, then I can be ahead of Elena and I might win the challenge. And crossed, if I get activated, then I'm gonna get to make slime. And remember, you are the judges. You have to vote who got the best slime.
Hashtag Team Elena with the hard dinosaur.
I don't know if I'm gonna win.
You choose your box.
Okay.
Put it up in the power.
Okay. I'm gonna choose this one.
I'm gonna choose this one. What? You didn't give me something to what?
I really like this red one.
I think there's something in that. Maybe she said, no, not red, blue, so she thinks I'm gonna choose the red. But I'm gonna choose the blue. All right, Clara. I told you I was not aiming at the other 2 boxes.
Oh.
Okay, I guess.
Wait,
Alright.
mine could be naughty. It probably is.
And mine could be nice. Okay. Guys, I think my luck just went like from like 100% to like 0%. Like what? It's not even the right color. I don't even want to. Can I skip this round?
Elena, you have to use it.
No, I'm not playing a prank. This is actually really bad. I got. They tie in perfectly with my purple feet. I'm so excited.
Guys, first I get amazing slime. Then I have to switch up. I get all this icky bad ingredients, black paint, and now this.
Clara, when you're a slime queen, you're a slime queen, and you know, just tell the guys at home.
Elena,
what you
you can stop there. Don't worry. I got shaving foam.
Well, I am kind of happy for you because you didn't get really bad ingredients. And you got the point.
Well, that's good. Nice. And point. No. Maybe all the look is going to me now. I'm winning. I'm winning.
Not for long, Clara. Like I said, only room for one slime queen.
Not for long.
Ah, these are gorgeous. This is like a perfect purple souffle. I just want to mix it so bad.
Oh, beautiful shaving foam. I'm gonna hide all this rice.
Did I hide it all? Guys, I am so happy. My slime is actually turning out so amazing.
Look at the bottom. It looks like a sea.
Yeah, and like the rice is like the sand. What? Okay, on to round 7. It's my turn to choose. Guys, all I need is activator. then I literally have slime, and then I may have a bonus item in round 8. Like, now I'm gonna choose. What should I choose to throw her off the scent? I think I'm gonna do one that I really like using.
Okay. She gave me no clue whatsoever. I'm just gonna go. Oh, well, I guess I'm picking this one. Fingers crossed, guys.
Yes, I got the point! Yes, oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah. Wait, Clara, yours could be nice and mine could be naughty. You never know. I got Clara's just like,
This day couldn't get any worse. This is gonna be the flag for the worst slime ever.
guys, this activator is like the beautiful sauce that will pour over your souffle. It is making this look even more gorgeous. Guys, I cannot believe I have every ingredient to make slime in this bowl. So stay till the end because you have to see my slime and you have to win.
Well, the Naughty or Nice challenge is not my favorite.
Alright, on to round 8!
It is my turn to choose, but I have to get activator so I can make slime for you guys.
That's the one ingredient you are missing.
One. I think I'm gonna choose this one because of that.
You know I can hear you whether you whisper or not. This round, I'm kind of just hoping for like a bonus ingredient like glitter or kind of like sequins or beads, just in case it's not like a naughty box or it's really bad. So I think I'm gonna pick this one because I kind of like the robot. Okay.
I get the point.
What are the chances? I got activator. Okay, no.
I definitely got the naughty box.
Sorry, Clara, I told you I'm the slime queen.
Elena, you didn't let me finish. But I am really, really, really sorry. But you should read this. No! Good job! Boom! Yeah!
No, that was a joke. This is a joke. This is like a prank that you're
No,
playing.
it's not!
There's gotta be a naughty ingredient in there.
So let's get this over here.
Oh my goodness, guys. Back with this glue. What are the chances?
There's only one slime queen here, and it's me. No, me.
No, me.
No, me.
No, me.
No, me. I'm so happy I picked that
Okay.
box.
I've added in my activator. Time to mix. 1, 2, 3. The green, no, the green.
Elena, look at this.
No, it's turning pink. So guys, we're gonna mix our slimes and show them to you ready-made in
3, 2,
1. Here's our slime. So guys, turns out I'm not the queen of slime. I'm the queen of scrambled egg slime. Guys, mine literally did not form at all. There's like chunks in between the shaving foam. Look at it, guys. Not exactly that. Guys, please tell me on the community page, what did I do wrong? Did I put in too much activator? Or do these ingredients just not mix well together?
Okay, guys, here's my slime. I think everyone knows that I'm the slime queen in this challenge.
Clara.
Okay, so my slime is a really pretty light purple color, and it has a lot of things inside. It has full glitter, beads, and it's super stretchy and makes the best bubbles. Clara, the bubble's so big! Oh, it's popped.
Whoa, Clara, that is so big.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. No!
9 seconds! So that was still really good.
Who had your best slime? I think it's obviously me.
Yeah.
Team Clara with a star.
And guys, if you want to sympathize with me, Team Elena with the dinosaur, please. I did so awful. And the winners of the amazing rainbow cards are Chelsea Gallagher and
Martina Breen.
congratulations! So guys, we really hope you enjoyed our twin telepathy
Naughty or nice
slime challenge. Make sure you hit that subscribe button, the like button, and the notification bell if you want to see more of these videos. And you tell us on the community page if slime is what you like. Give us lots and lots of hearts.
So we know to make lots of more slime videos.
We'll see you next time. Bye!